Donning her protective gear for another long shift at the hospital, Cynthia Jimenez and her colleagues are being pushed to breaking point as they try desperately to save the lives of coronavirus patients. The nation has been reporting a rolling total of over 13,000 cases per day.
I cannot continue at this pace, and I think others in my situation, who are doctors like me in intensive care, must feel the same way I do. It tires you to see people who come in ill with respiratory failure, and you have to save them, and you know that if you intubate them, it will end badly for many. That hurts.
So far, only the United States, India, Brazil and Russia have reached 1 million cases officially, all with vastly larger populations than Argentina. What's more, the South American country has low levels of testing. Strict quarantine measures imposed when its first case was confirmed in March helped curb the spread of Covid-19, but also struck a hammer blow to the already struggling economy. Now, with restrictions partially lifted, half the population is still suffering from poverty as Covid-19 cases spiral, causing protesters to hit the streets.
The situation is very adverse. There are areas of the country where people queue for 3 or 4 hours to get a plate of food from the community kitchens.
The pandemic has crippled production and demand, while borders remain closed to tourism. The country is on track for a 12% economic plunge by the end of this year.